Welcome back. It's part 6 of our home office renovation with a $1,500 budget. So far, we've spent $1,245, which isn't bad considering this is where we started. And here's a quick reminder of the room when we first bought the house. But now we have to get this place furnished and we don't have much of our budget left, so let's see what we can find. We are on our way to go pick up a desk that I found on OfferUp. It is really big. Wish me luck. And big it was. It barely fit in my car, and if you saw me driving around with my hatch open, no you didn't. But here she is in all her glory. She's 68 by 38 inches, double-sided, solid wood partner's desk. Now, I don't know much about the desk other than the previous owner had it for well over 30 years. As you can see, it is in a bit rough condition, but that is nothing that we can't fix. Especially because I got this desk for only $100, which means we are still under budget. It has a lot of cracks and these tiny little holes, which made me wonder whether or not this desk had bugs at one point or wood beetles. But either way, I am going to treat it for bugs, just in case. But the first step is to sand everything down to get the wood to its natural state. I'm gonna break down everything I did in part 7 of this series, so be sure to like and follow for the next part and for more home renovations and DIYs.